Hey there folks, I am the Mighty Plantain and this is not the usual setting. Getting prepped for a bit of a fireworks show this year, so we're going to get a couple of things put together. Hopefully going to be posting some video of that. One of the things I did want to show though, this is a little something, it's called Matrix Power. It's from Legend Fireworks. It's actually a really decent show by itself, and I'm going to set one of those off by itself. Now a nice companion piece to that, I'm hoping, is going to be this little one right here. This is called Blowout from Black Cat. It's got a nice show, got a couple of different effects in it. Now we're going to take a look at that one. Now that we've seen them separately, what I want to do is I want to set off one of each, both at the same time. Now what I'm hoping for is to get a nice 3 or 4 layer effect and a good spread and kind of fill the sky with pyro. Now I used to do this with a little something called instant replay. Now that particular cake, either the manufacturer stopped making it or just the local store stopped carrying it. Either way, I couldn't get my hands on it this year. So I'm hoping that this one right here, the Blowout, will give me a similar effect to the instant replay, because the instant replay used to give me a double layer effect and a nice sparkle. So we'll see what happens when we set off these two together. Now what could be better than that? How about we do 3 of each together? Let's see how that works out.